Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the board and gear. Power off the device, ground yourself, and place the board under a microscope. Once done, locate the SMD microphone and photograph its orientation and nearby components so you can restore placement exactly. Next, apply flux to the mic pads and preheat the board slightly to reduce thermal shock. Now position your soldering iron or hot air at a safe distance and soften the solder. Do not rush, controlled heat prevents lifted pads. You continue by carefully removing the microphone. With hot air, use a steady circular motion until solder liquefies. With an iron, wick away solder with braid and avoid dragging. Once the mic lifts, clean pads with flux and isopropyl alcohol, then inspect each pad under the scope for damage. If a pad is missing, you must repair the trace before continuing. Finally, apply a small amount of solder paste or place a tiny solder bead on each pad to prepare for the new component. You now place the replacement microphone. Using tweezers, align orientation marks and seat the package onto the solder paste. Reflow with hot air or a controlled oven profile until solder wets both pads, then let the board cool slowly to avoid stress. After cleaning flux residue, reconnect power and perform an audio test, record or loopback, to verify sensitivity and polarity. If the mic is noisy or dead, check solder joints and continuity. One key troubleshooting tip. If no signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.